Well, if it ain't, I don't have a way to take it out.
All right. No, wait one.
My 12.
Shit.
Contact front! Yep.
He dead?
Who sees him? Does anyone see him?
We got guys coming from their left.
Was that the technical or was that just a machine gun?
That was
just a
infantry, I
rifle.
think.
That was just a rifle.
Yeah.
He's probably behind the concrete.
Yeah.
We got a hole in front of us. Green piece of cover to the left. Very low. Very shitty. Not much to our right.
Yeah. This is fun. Oh, we got friendlies moving crossing our sector here.
Roger.
All right, boys, move up.
You're good. I got 2 friendlies to my 12. Three, 4.
JR, move up. Alright.
Crossing you.
Hey, they're either behind these pipes right in front of me or behind the red wall. But I think most of them ran away.
Close red wall or far red wall?
Close one.
Right.
It was
right
close one. They could have got the far one.
Fuck it, you know how to do that. Let's go. Roger. Clear. Right side looks good. Give me a reference point. Do you got a number on enemy?
Just one.
Roger. All right. I'm crossing y'all. Moving. I got you left.
All right, watch your right. Looks good.
Good.
I'm going in.
Send it. Still looks good.
Green right side.
Roger that. Roger that. Crossing. Left still looks good. Always keep your guns up. I got you right this time.
Gotcha.
We got a friendly MG to our right. Hi, Wayne.
What's up, Rob?
I immediately got separated this morning.
Yeah, I know, right?
Line's moving up left.
Yep.
Moving.
All right, go. Right looks good.
All right, crossing.
Roger.
Hey, MG, probably over here.
How far? You got a reference?
All right, 2 rows up.
2 rows up?
He might be hunkered down or he ran away. We don't know.
If he's hunkered down, let's fuck him up.
There he is.
Where?
I just heard him shoot. I didn't actually see him. There he is.
You got eyes?
Yeah, he's moving.
Running.
So, don't progress too far. He's gonna lead us into a trap. There's spawns right over there.
We're taking fire, sorry.
So, you're good.
Zach. I think we should swing left and take Paul from there.
Yeah. Wayne, we're moving left. Go.
Brinson, we're moving.
Go. Good to move? Moving. What's that left side look like?
No idea, but he's not. LMG is like in front of us, straight 12.
Okay.
Move it. I got 2 up ahead.
They're in the graveyard.
Yeah.
All right. Well, graveyard is the left peak.
Looks like they look green.
I hate that.
No, they're 10. They're 10.
Okay. What's the next piece of cover you can move to?
Well, shit, I can't tell now with the fucking light.
Let me see.
2, deadhead 12, moving left now.
I see him. I see him.
10 or green? What do you think?
Well, I got
I think they're tan.
Yeah, 10.
We're gonna call them tan. 3, 2, 1, light it.
Are you green or 10? I'm moving up.
Enemy. Send it. Light it up. Light it up. Double stack, right side.
I'm gonna move with JR.
Go. Let's move up to these pipes on the left. Yep. Anyone got eyes? Yep.
All right, let's push up to the burn.
Yep, go for it. We got a medic.
You guys could have shot me in the leg. You guys are like real close.
Yeah, you guys got God move on, huh?
Contact front.
Yep. Contact right.
Get burned, bro.
Good fight, guys.
Oh, that hurt.
It made me tear.
Sorry.
It hit me like right here.
So keep eyes on where they're going to spawn, okay? I got your left. You got another dead to your 1 o'clock? We got one furley to our 12. So keep eyes on where their spawn is. Hey, we're gonna have to disperse their spawns right over there.
Wait, they got spawns over there?
Yeah,
How?
let's disperse.
What? No, there's campfire something else back there.
Zach is over there just shooting away, dude.
Yeah, let's go.
I can follow his little clip.
Follow them.
Good, go for it.
That was a good push, fella.
Yep.
Good shit.
I'm right on you. One dead, my 12.
Windows, 2 windows, dead ahead. Windows, 2 up front.
Closest building?
It's a Connex.
Which Connex?
One right in front of you, to your right.
Roger.
Right on the wall.
All right, so where are the windows adjacent to me?
Slightly to the right of the building.
I don't have a shot. All right, I see it. I see it. All right,
Press and move up. Suppress the windows and move up.
all right. Get ready to move past me. Go.
Get in there.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Sorry, Keith. Yeah, there's somebody back in there.
Yeah.
All right, we had one friendly move up.
How far?
Not very. There's a trench right in front of me.
How many brothers banged that building?
I got a nade. I got a nade.
Yeah.
Come on, get on me.
All right, we're about to move back.
I got you. You cover.
Huh?
Someone. Sorry.
Okay.
I have no idea.